Guys, here I am to show you a video of my 2014 Chevy Silverado. I'm going to show you the running boards I got from OEDRO. Show y'all the opening, the installment, and the after. So be patient with me. This is how it looks in the product. Everything looks nice, secured. Here's the instructions. Looks easy, shows you everything. So I'll be opening the rest. So here's all the product open. Looks plain and simple. Now the next step will be getting under the truck. Alright guys, here I am to show you the installment of the running boards for the 2014 Chevy Silverado. You're going to have 12 bolts, 6 little brackets, pins, 2 brackets. You're going to need a 13mm. And right here, for this piece goes in the passenger front. I'll describe it later on, but it goes something like this. Alright, I'll get under the truck and I'll start the video. Alright, well, we're under here on the passenger front. This is the bracket you need. You're going to connect them like this. You got this piece, it goes in here like so. Like so. Make sure you don't tighten it all the way and it's sticking up like that, so it could be loose still. I don't know why I did it like this, but it has to be a reason. And then you come up here like so. There's a factory weld nut that goes in here. Make sure it's open like this. You have to kind of manhandle it. It's already in. Make sure you put one of these bolts up here. It also has a factory nut included in it. And then you put this other bolt down here. You can't see it, but I'll show you right now. So it should look like this. Just make sure you don't tighten it all the way yet. That's the middle bracket and that's the top. I'll be going on to the second one. Right now, and I'll show you. Alright, this is the middle bracket. Well, in reality, this bracket fits the driver's side. The driver's side is all the same brackets. Literally looks like this. This demonstration I'm going to show you right now for this piece I'm going to connect is going to be the same setup for the other side. Once again, for the driver's side is going to be the same 3 brackets. I'll show you right now when I get connecting. Well, I'm under here right now, under the truck, and these 14s, they have the same factory weld nut and nut up there, as well, and the same as the driver's side. So the bracket should sit, hold on, let me pass to my technician. The bracket should sit like this, with the bolt on top. More light. And the bolt on bottom. Easy, real easy. Make sure you don't tighten them yet. Just hand tight. Once again, this set right here is going to be the same for the driver's side. All 3 brackets will fit the same. You do not need to do the modification I did on this other bracket, because that's only for the passenger front. Alright, let's go to the back. Okay, we're in the last bracket, which is the passenger back. This passenger back bracket is the same as a driver's side bracket. It has a rubber mount. You take it off. You're going to add these hardwares that they supply you with. One goes in here, like so. You'll hear it click in place, and the bottom one as well. These do not come with factory welds. I don't know why. And there you go, same thing. Now the bracket should sit in place like the other one I showed y'all, the metal one. This is going to do the same thing for the driver's side as well. I'll show y'all when I'm about to install the running boards. Now this little rubber mount plastic thing is like a cover for the brackets. At first I looked at it, but you put one side like so right here, so it should be a flush mount fit. You get your little bracket piece, you line it up, you hit it, you put this other pin, it locks in place. I already have this one made for it, so like that, and that's how it should sit on that. You do that to all 6 brackets all the way along. They all fit the same. Now come this way to the running board. This running board has 6 nuts on it. Those 6 nuts land on the brackets, on these brackets right here. So the best bet would be to have 2 people. Have 2 people to help you. I'll do it right now. You see the running board mounted on the truck. Alright, well, here are the running boards. They're still not mounted correctly, but I mean, it only has 3 bolts. As you can see, you could adjust these in or out, maybe a 1-inch play, but I'm gonna stick mine out because I guess they look better like that. You do that, and then you go under here. Alright, you're gonna put these the bolts in here, like so. For all 6 of them down here, on each bracket has 2. So let me tighten everything up, and I'll show you how it looks once everything's tightened and it looks nice. Alright guys, this is how it looks. The finished product looks nice. I like it. So I weigh roughly 280 pounds. Excuse the mess on the truck, but look, I could literally stand on it like nothing happens. Pretty rugged, nice, sturdy. That's all you need. So check them out.